Today, I'm going to show you how to order on Superbuy and share some hidden tips first-time users often miss. So the first, go to superbuy.com and create your account if you haven't done it already by clicking on the sign up button, which is right here. Then go here and search for a product that you want. Usually you don't want to search for a certain brand, simply search for a product. For example, if I want boots, I'm not gonna search for Nike sneakers. I'm just simply gonna write down boots or sneakers, as simple as that. So let's go here and tap boots. Now, once you find your item, so here as you can see, select the size and the correct color. So here I have selected these boots, so I'm gonna go here, close the other tab because I don't need it any longer, verify that I'm human, and from there I'm gonna choose the size and the color. So I'm going with this size, I'm going with black, and I'm going to choose the others. Now, before checking out, review the service rating, of course. This is something very important to be done before you buy anything. So here, this product has 46 views, and if we went down here, it doesn't seem like it have any reviews. So this has a very highly ratio of turning down, or basically it has a very low ratio when it comes to same products. So you need to search for something else. So we go back here to the buying page. We could go ahead and search for boots once more from here and search for another product in this area. You could also, in this Superbuy page, you could search sales and pick here the ratio of the number that you want to buy. For example, I don't want to buy something that exceeded 100 Chinese yen, or simply I want it to be between 100 and 200, so you can choose it from here. This is a very good filter to be using. Also here we could be going for any random product, so I'm going to show you here. You have to make sure that the shopping fees are 0. There is some product that they have higher shopping fees, so make sure that you are actually having 0. Select here your country so you can check if it's going to change or not. This is very important to be noticing. Also go here to the rating and make sure that the rating is above basically 4. 4 is good, but above 4 is very good, and it is very much a good hint that this is a good seller. And what's left to do is to simply click on buy now, go to the checkout and buy the product. As simple as that.